flying over the White House and other federal buildings to be lowered to half staff from now until Veterans Day next Wednesday. Veterans Day is our chance to honor those Americans who've served for lobbying that has blocked passage of health insurance reform for so many decades. But today, we're being given another chance to make it a reality. Last month, our economy added more than 100,000 private sector jobs, and the unemployment rate fell sharply. The unemployment rate fell to 7.7%. Still too high, but now lower than it was when I took office. And the unemployment rate fell to its lowest level in 5 years. The unemployment rate fell to under 6% for the first time in more than 6 years. In 2014, unemployment fell faster than it is in 3 decades. Unemployment fell faster than any year since 1984. By the time the guns fell silent in Europe, some 40 million people on the continent had lost their lives. He fell in love, got engaged, and the thing he wanted most was to make the world safer for his 3-year-old daughter. And across every race and age group in America, incomes rose and poverty rates fell. Joe Biden's here, and Joe, actually, I want to talk to you because you had a terrific relationship with your dad, but there was a time where your dad fell on some hard times, and yet you still talk about him all the time as the most important guiding role model in your life. Well, Mr. President, we're not going to get there all in one fell swoop, but I'm very proud of the progress that's being made, and I think that the energy bill that's being debated in the House is an example of that progress. Airmen like Staff Sergeant Timothy Bowles, who, when a comrade fell sick, volunteered to take his place on the patrol in Afghanistan that would end up taking his life. When demand fell sharply, exports from this region fell sharply.
Mr. President, they fell short.